If Gamma is giving you a database error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a common issue when Gamma is holding on to a bad session, a corrupted deck entry, or conflicting browser data. And the good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try before you waste time rebuilding everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to force a Workspace sync. The easiest way to do that is to log completely out of your Gamma account. Don't just close the tab, make sure you fully sign out, then wait about 10 seconds before logging back in. This gives Gamma a chance to refresh your session and pull a clean state from its remote database clusters. In a lot of cases, the error happens because your current session gets stuck or out of sync, and a fresh login can clear that up immediately. Once you've logged back in, go back to the page or workspace where the error was happening and check if the problem is gone. If Gamma loads normally, that means the issue was likely a temporary sync problem. But if the error is still showing, don't worry. We've got another fix. The next thing to try is isolating page database glitches. If the error only happens on one presentation or one specific deck, the issue may be tied to that single file rather than your whole account. To test this, go to your Gamma dashboard and find the presentation that's causing the error. Then click the three dots at the bottom of the presentation card and choose the duplicate option. This creates a new copy of the deck, and in many cases the duplicated version builds a clean database entry that avoids the corrupted block causing the problem. After duplicating the deck, open the new version and see if it loads properly. If the duplicate works, that's a strong sign the original presentation had a local database glitch. At that point, you can continue working from the duplicate and use it as your clean version going forward. This is one of the simplest ways to recover a broken deck without losing all your content. Now let's move on to the browser side of the problem. Sometimes Gamma errors are not caused by Gamma itself, but by your browser session, cookies, cached files, or local storage data. To test this, open an Incognito or private window and sign into your Gamma workspace there. This gives you a clean browser environment with no old cookies or saved data interfering with the app. If Gamma works normally in Incognito mode, then the issue is probably tied to your regular browser profile. In that case, you should clear your browser cookies and site data for Gamma. This removes conflicting local storage scripts and old session files that may be causing the database error to repeat. After clearing cookies and site data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Gamma again. If the app starts working after that, great. The problem was a browser conflict, and you've now reset it. If not, you can repeat the same check in a different browser to see whether the issue is specific to Chrome, Safari, or whichever browser you're using. That can help you narrow down whether this is an account issue, a deck issue, or just a browser issue. So to quickly recap, first, log out completely and log back in to force a workspace sync. Second, duplicate the deck if the error only affects one presentation, because that can create a clean copy with a new database entry. Third, use Incognito mode to test for browser conflicts, and if that fixes it, clear your cookies and site data. These steps solve a lot of Gamma database errors without needing anything technical. If this tutorial helped you fix Gamma, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I post more simple step-by-step tech fixes just like this. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment with the exact error you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.